Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where wheels meet luxury. Today, you're stepping into the future of premium travel, where raw power meets next-level comfort. Buckle up as we take you inside the stunningly bold GMC Savana Yukon Denali, a luxury van that's rewriting the rules of mobile opulence. This is not just a vehicle, it's a five-star suite on wheels, a powerhouse dressed in elegance. Ready to experience a van that roars like a beast but pampers like a king?
Let's ride!
The 2026 GMC Savana Yukon Denali is a jaw-dropping masterpiece, combining rugged reliability with plush luxury. From the outside, it flaunts a bold, chrome-accented front grille, signature LED headlights, and a sleek aerodynamic profile that screams sophistication. Rolling on 20-inch polished aluminum wheels, this van commands attention wherever it goes. Whether you're cruising city boulevards or hitting remote highways, the Yukon Denali's presence turns heads instantly. Step inside and you'll feel like you've entered a private jet cabin. The interior is drenched in luxury, soft touch, premium leather seating with heating, cooling and massage functions. The ambient lighting sets the perfect tone for relaxing or working on the go. You get a full digital cockpit with a 15-inch touchscreen, infotainment system powered by GMC's latest IntelliLink, paired with a 16-speaker, premium Bose sound system for an immersive audio experience. Connectivity and convenience go hand in hand here. With Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and a rear entertainment system featuring dual 12-inch HD screens, the Yukon Denali is designed for modern-day explorers. You also get a built-in fridge, motorized reclining captain chairs, and a fully automated sunroof. It's perfect for business professionals, family tours, or VIP executive rides. Under the hood, the GMC Savana Yukon Denali is powered by a mighty 6.6-liter V8 engine delivering over 400 horsepower and paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're towing heavy gear or gliding effortlessly down the highway, the powertrain performs with quiet strength and unmatched smoothness. And yes, it comes with adaptive suspension, all-wheel drive, and multiple terrain modes for complete control and stability in any environment. In terms of safety, the Yukon Denali is loaded. You've got lane keep assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree
HD surround vision system that makes parking this beast a breeze.
GMC went all in to ensure that while you're surrounded by luxury, you're also wrapped in advanced safety. So what do we honestly think? At Honest Auto Wheels, we say this: the GMC Savana Yukon Denali is not just a luxury van, it's a moving mansion built for the road kings of the future. It delivers power, tech, comfort, and versatility in a way few vans can. It's luxury that moves, roars, and impresses. Thanks for watching. See you in the next ride.